Hello there and welcome to another Explore with Greg video. I'm actually starting this one the day before because I just wanted to show you my camping location for the night. Well, I say camping, there's my van down there, sleeping in the van, just waiting for my dinner to finish cooking, and that's where I'm parked for the night. What an awesome spot. That's Cadair Idris just over there. And tomorrow I'm going to be doing the secret waterfall walk. Well, that's the plan anyway. Well, I'm definitely doing it, but whether I find it or not. Good morning. So today's the day where we go and try and find Snowdonia's secret waterfall. But I'm not going to tell you where it is. So this has become quite popular lately. Lots of pictures on Instagram of this secret waterfall, and no one will say where it is. It's like you've got to be part of the special crowd, but I found out where it is. So if you find this quite distinctive row of houses, you know you're on the right path. Quite a steep hill to start with. Find this track on the right, and that's where you want to head. It's quite a lovely place to come for a walk. Got a defined path so far. We got the river and a few small waterfalls. Oh, actually, quite an awesome set of waterfalls just there. This is such a stunning walk. It's just waterfall after waterfall after waterfall. Each one's got a little plunge pool. Yeah, what an awesome place. So far, this is pretty strenuous. It's all been uphill. It's a lovely walk. I think it's about 2 miles in total to the waterfall. Pretty awesome views from up here. Right, so looking at the rough guides that I've done up, it was showing a fork in the road, which is here, and then a track in between the two forks, and to follow the track. And do you know what? I don't know why it's a big secret, because it's all signposted. You got a sign there, a trail sign. So well, we're approaching the quarry, so it's got to be around here somewhere. I can hear falling water, so that's always a good sign. Okay, falling water, but not quite what we're looking for. So let's carry on. Bryn Egglesworth Quarry. I've made it to the quarry, but as of yet, no sign of the waterfall, and I can't hear any water either. But I'm sure we'll find it. Can you hear that? I can hear a waterfall. But how do you get to it? Okay, so this isn't easy to get to. The last route was a bit of a red herring by the looks of it. I could see the waterfall and hear it, but it's at the bottom of a gorge. So I'm just trying to work out how to get down there. Well, I've got to admit, this is a bit more than I'd bargained for. No idea how to get there. I'm kind of just following my nose, but I really don't know. I'm sure if I can just get down to the bottom of the gorge, I'll be fine. Whether I'm down there or not, I do not know. Damn, I am tantalisingly close. I don't know if you can see it. It is awesome. How the hell you get to it, I do not know. Okay, it's looking good. We've got a kind of path. Wow. Look at me. That was a mission. Wow, that was absolutely ridiculous getting down to this spot. You know what, I had full intentions of telling everyone where it was, but that was a little bit dodgy. So I'll leave the video as it is. I think you've got the start point, you know where it's located. It's up to you if you want to actually get to the waterfall. It's worth it, but wow, crazy. So this is what you get when you're down there. That's the first smaller waterfall. Got an awesome cave. And that's the stunner. Wow. Wow. One last look before I go. But what an absolutely incredible place. So as I said, I can't give you directions to the waterfall because it's all fenced off and I don't know the route that I took. It's just some random through the trees, through the bushes. So I don't know the best way here, but it's at the quarry. You can follow the path to the quarry, piece of cake, but then just listen to your ears really. It is not for the faint-hearted, but look at it, absolutely stunning. Well, that's it for this episode of Explore with Greg, and that was everything I hoped it would be. A slightly strenuous hike to get there, which makes it all the more rewarding. An absolutely stunning, picturesque path to follow with multiple waterfalls and plunge pools, and an absolutely incredible final location, which is a challenge to find. So when I started this video, I had full intention of giving the what 3 words address of the waterfall, but I've actually changed my mind a bit, and it's not because I'm trying to be, oh, I know where it is, you don't. It just makes it more fun to find. I found it by myself. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put the starting village, I'm going to leave that in and show you the path that takes you up there, and from there really it's pretty simple apart from the final part. There's no obvious route to the waterfall because it's all fenced off, and I would say I wouldn't recommend it for kids, but if you fancy a bit of an adventure, it's well worth seeking out. So yeah, what a day. It's only 8 o'clock. What a morning. Wow. Right, I'll see you on the next one.